Now we're rushing to rest of the Old West Cantina.
So what was this?
Fuzzy Tata.
This is a new one.
Safari with Safari.
And this is not a shot.
Peppers. Hot sauce.
So you should try it before and after. And then I have my Yum Num, which I think it's that one. And then my quencher is this one. I always get those, so nothing new on those. But this one's new, so we'll see what Brian thinks. Thank you. It's like Pascal.
It's good. It's good.
How was Olga's Cantina?
It's fun. It's chill. Good time.
Good time, yeah. No one, like, the people by our table left, and they didn't sit anyone with us for a good 30 minutes. And then finally the staff people, and that was like our cue to go, because I feel like that was our time over. Yeah, but the drinks were good. It was $90 for the two of us, so I feel like it went up a little bit, because I feel like it used to be $70 for two people or $60 for two people. Still fun. I'm glad we got to sit down. It was just luck. And then we had ordered a Ronto Roaster to go. And if you're wondering what is this, Brian? Because this does not come with the Ronto Roaster.
It's the ghost pepper sauce from the drink. So it's gonna pair nicely with the Ronto Roaster.
Okay. It is a little spicy. I did not like his new drink. It was very tequila based and spicy, which is not my thing. But oh, my food's ready. All right, we got the cake that Brian likes. It's actually really good. I like it too, but I only get it when you are here. I got my coffee. I can't believe it's the first one. I would have thought of it on my second or third by now. I got a lid. You can ask for a lid. And then I got these. They're like $11, not worth the price, but they're good. So do that as you will. But yeah, we're gonna eat, and then we'll have Brian rank everything. And the pork. Oh, he put a jacket on.
It is cold in here.
All right, Brian. How was Ronto Roasters on a scale of 1 to 10?
Pretty good, maybe like an 8.
An 8, okay. How was the cake?
The cake's probably like 8.5.
Yeah, the strawberry peas. There was like strawberry peas, so good. Chocolate, and then the other one was not frosting, whipped cream maybe. Yeah, and then the cookies were sugar cookies. But it was good. If you mix it, it's pretty good. And then my chicken thing was good. But the chicken quality was not where it was last time. Like I could tell it was 2 chickens put together, and it like grossed me out. But I'm very picky. Like I'm super picky, so it really grossed me out. But the taste was good. It just wasn't the same quality. So for the price, I would say skip. And then I got coffee. I wanted to do physical labor while at Disney.
Woo!
How you guys doing? Woo! You know, guys, I'm going to be honest with you guys. Paddling a 2,000-pound canoe at 9 o'clock in the morning, totally different than paddling a 2,000-pound canoe at 5 o'clock in the evening. I'm tired. Let's have some fun, though. I got just enough for you guys. Let's have some fun. Paddles up. How's that? All right, guys. Look, my boss is watching. Look, it's Mickey and Minnie Moose. Hey. M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-O-S-E, Mickey Mouse. Hello, we tired, too much work, deserve churro. They got that one. All right, guys, we're at the halfway point. Congratulations.
Oh, wow.
Fast, yeah.
This lady's lovely. I love her. She's like, oh, wow. Yeah, see? You guys are doing good. Around the corner, though, full public view awaits you, live and real people. So smile big, pretend you're having fun. We want to trick them just like your family tricked you into thinking this is a good idea. Good job, guys. Take a break. All 7 of you, take a break. The rest of you guys, keep doing what you're doing, whatever that was. Yasmin, you too. Balance. Grown-ups, please watch your little ones. Make sure their fingers are inside. No pinch fingers. No accident, sir. Watch your paddle, sir.
Brian, how's canoeing?
It was fun. It was a good time.
Yeah.
Weather was perfect, too.
It was. It wasn't hot. It wasn't cold. The cast member was really, really funny. He sang some Weezer. Yeah, really funny, really fast.
Yeah.
Like we got on there 4:44, or we got in line for 44. It's been 30 minutes, believe it or not.
Wow.
It didn't feel like it. But that's with the queue, getting on the canoe, getting off the canoe. The parade's gonna start soon, 5:30. Trying to decide if we want to run back to where the parade starts, or we'll go back to the lockers, get a soda, and just wait by Main Street. That might be the play. But yeah, it was really fun. I would recommend it actually. And it's not that long, and if you have littles, don't worry, there's enough adults to like, I honestly thought it was on a track, but it's not. It's not on a track. That took me by surprise. And my arm might be sore tomorrow. I did like that he said get on it again and do the other side. If I had more time, I would consider it. Hopefully this happens. We did single riders and hopefully we get to go together. Brian got 6 though. Ayo.
What does that mean?
You're in the back. Ready? Woo.
Let's do it.
Out of 10?
Oh, that's a 9.
Alright, watch the parade.
It was fun.
It was fun. Now, it comes out of Small World the first time. The second time it comes out of Main Street. So, plan accordingly. We planned wrong. So, we waited an extra 15 to 20 minutes for it. What was your favorite float?
Moana was cool. Merlin was going hard.
Yeah.
Coco one was interesting. It had like the Dante.
Oh, yeah, Dante. Oh, Dante.
Yeah. It's like
Okay, we grabbed food so we could eat in line, but hopefully it's just a walk-on. And then we'll just eat calmly on a table. It'll be a little cold, but oh no, there's time. There's at least 20 minutes, yeah.
Thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system.
Right. This is Black Wicked. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits.
Dang.
Oh, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the gentleman.
Thanks, Tom. Okay. Where did we leave off?
Indiana Jones.
I haven't talked to it before that. What was before that?
What do you mean? We did Indiana Jones intro.
Oh, a little bit. Okay, yeah.
We did Matterhorn.
Okay, we were talking about Matterhorn. Gavin dined, went into Indiana really quickly. It was like pretty much walk, 10-15 minutes. Ryan, what's the score for Indiana?
That was fun. 8.5.
8.5. Okay, not bad. And then after that, we quickly had pickup orders. So went to Chimichangas, got 7 Chimichangas, and again, it's the same thing as always, where they can't imagine 7, so it's like a back and forth, and you're like, 7, please.
7.
And he's like, yeah, it's 7, because it's $7, and he's like, no,
No,
7. He's like, yeah, 7 with like change.
7 chimichangas. It's like, dude, where's my car?
Yeah, it was so like fun to watch it, because usually I go through it. And then we went over to Harbor to pick up the cookie order that I had set up. We went, got an apple really quickly actually, all of that was really quick. Back to the locker, put everything away, grabbed sweaters, grabbed waters, consumables, left all the like hats and sunglasses, things we don't need. And then we had a pickup order for corn dog, which he'll have right now. And then I had Firefly Nacho pickup order. Ran to Rise so we could eat while we were waiting. I didn't even look. I was like, we're just gonna wait whatever it is. We got here and it was walk on. I was like, it's gonna be like 20 minutes. 15 minutes and then it crashed. But they gave us Genie passes. So it was worth it. Unless once it opens. But we're on a time crunch, so. And yeah. But they close at 10, like this ride, so we have to do it before 10. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna eat and then I'll let you know. It was pretty much walk on either way, standby and lightning. There was no rush. But it still was nice. We got to cut the queue, at least, walk less. Our Space Mountain got turned into a free lightning lane because it crashed, so we have 3 free lightning lanes right now.
All right, into the cockpit.
Brian gets to be
I
an
hope you are ready, my
engineer.
friends, but to be sure. Repair test. Hit your flashing button.
What are you press?
The flashing
Good
one.
job, engineer.
There's nothing flashing right now.
Right, pilot, weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxial.
We did it, Brian. Woo! What score would you give it?
Pirate level?
No, on a scale of 1 to 10.
Oh, it's a solid 8. I mean, it's fine. It's, you rely on strangers.
Yeah, I love when the pilots crash. It's my favorite. They did really good, actually. We got 2 coaxials. I've had times where it's only been 1, so good for them.
Yeah.
I like engineer. I just don't like the gunner.
Like switching the buttons.
That's why the gunner is like.
You get paid to just flip switches.
Yeah, I should have gone for engineer. But yeah, so it was fun. I wouldn't wait more than what we did. I don't know. I just wouldn't wait long for this one. Especially if you do like single rider, you're usually a engineer if you do single rider. Unless none of the people in your party want to be a pilot, then you're like, okay. And that could be the case too if they're too shy.
Look, I've been all 3.
Yeah. Oh.
Pilot's pretty fun too.
Yeah, pilot's fun. I haven't done pilot for a long time. It's so cool. Did you guys have to move or no?
No, which one?
That one.
Oh, yeah.
You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
How much?
The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Now's a good time. Ah! The escape pods are below us. Wait, why are you going out? I said no. It's bad. It's real bad.
we're doing it times 2. Number 2. Alright, well, bye, Fig. Oh. Okay. We haven't talked to Brian in a minute. We didn't talk to you about the corn dog, so what did you rate the corn dog?
Oh, I like the corn dog. Yeah, it's very excellent.
Out of 10?
It's probably like an 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the Firefly nachos?
Pretty good. I would try those again.
Yeah. And they're like $6, so for a snack, it's not bad for a snack. Not a meal, but for a snack, it's not bad. And then, what else? We went to do...
Rise of the Resistance.
Before that one, Smugglers.
Run.
We got engineers.
Yes.
And they crashed. I think I got a little clip of that.
Yeah, it's fun.
And then we did go back to Rise, and it was pretty much a walk-on.
Yeah, it's so fast.
Even with our lightning lane, without it, I think it would have still been a walk-on, just a longer walk. But yeah, we actually got to ride it. And we did
So good.
Mickey! Anyways, oh, Pudding! Oh. Anyways, we still got to ride it, which was fun. What did you rate Rise of the Resistance?
Rise is always so gorgeous. It has like so much production value, so that's at least 9.5.
Ooh, that was the highest, 9.5. And then from there, we went over to Thunder, and the Thunder twice, because we had the Thunder Lightning, and then we had the Lightning from Roger Rabbit from the morning. How would you rate that?
9.
It's fun. It's really dark. I don't know if it's like our eyes because we're both, you know, getting there or what, but and then from there we thought the park closed at midnight because our bus driver said it closed at midnight, and Brian's like, what time does Space Mountain close? And I'm like, when the park closes? But then I googled it and it said 11, and I was like, what? So then we asked, and yeah, they close at 11. So no Fantasmic this time, but we'll come back. We have the annual pass. No. All right, so before I close the vlog, I want to ask Brian, since he hasn't been here in a while, his favorite food.
Probably the Ranta, what's it called?
Oh, Ranta Roaster.
Ranta Roaster, but with the hot sauce I got from Uga's Cantina.
So the stuff that was supposed to go in his drink.
Yeah.
And then favorite ride.
Rice is up there because it's just so beautiful.
It's beautiful, yeah.
But the surprise hit was that Mickey and Minnie one.
Yeah, he really liked Mickey and Minnie Run Away. It's so good. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. We had a really chill day. Couple hiccups, but nothing crazy.
Bad, yeah.
It was a chill day nonetheless. Yes, we rushed, but it's part of Disney. And it was a short rush, but it was worth it because we didn't wait. The longest wait was maybe 20 minutes. Maybe. I didn't check Space Mountain yet, but I don't think it was more than 20 minutes, honestly. And the churro line this morning, I don't think it was more than 20 minutes either. So, not bad. Alright, anyways, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time,
Adios.
adios.